Necessity and usage of chatbots. Hi, everybody. If you're looking to become a full-time data scientist and artificial intelligence (AI) expert from scratch, then you are at the right place. Today, we will discuss a case study regarding chatbots. Before diving into details, let's have a look at the simple definition of a chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that simulates a natural human conversation. Users communicate with a chatbot via the chat interface or by voice, like how they would talk to a real person. Chatbots interpret and process users' words or phrases and give an instant preset answer. Let's have a look at a case study. Customer Service Portal has developed a chatbot application for the ease of their customers. This service has basically solved many problems that were being faced by the customers. These problems included longer response times, miscommunication between the client and agent, transferring of calls to different departments making customers frustrated, seldom brash behavior by agents to clients, seldom brash behavior by clients to agents, customer service being unable to follow through promise when a fixation is not done within the given time, lack of customer centricity, customer service not being aligned to customer journey. Let's have a glance at further details. The purpose of the company is to give access to services and information needed by the customers. Like every communication system, the portal requires the user to log in if already signed up, otherwise the user creates an account with required information. Once logged in, the need of chatbot arises when the users face some sort of issue and are unable to fix it on their own. Now it could be any minor or major concern. Let's suppose we order food through an application and the order doesn't get delivered within the given time. At that moment, you can track your order by using the chatbot and describing your problem. The powerful AI used in Chatbot will then navigate the order for you. Customers who had questions or challenges with their appliances were experiencing frustration. Mostly, they were unable to convey their difficulty to contact support agents. Troubleshooting times were slow, and customer service workflows were also complex and time-taking. Some of the biggest challenges were not knowing answer to the question, transferring customer calls, not having the right tools, dealing with frustrated customers, no crisis management or escalation protocol, not meeting customer expectations. The solution was made where Customer Service Portal introduced an intelligent chatbot application to serve customers automatically without any restriction of time 24/7. The AI system used in Chatbot learns from all the collected interactions and improves over time. A survey found that 77.14% of the people are comfortable by chatting with an AI chatbot. Chatbots are mainly an additional business solution which makes your service more pleasant to the user. The chatbot system engages users to understand and resolve their problems. In the worst-case scenario, if the issue is unable to resolve, chatbot also provides live agent support for the ease of users. Following benefits have been reported by the usage of chatbots: 24/7 availability, instant response, consistency in answers, omni-channel service, personalization, multilingual, order without human help, increased customer engagement, driving more sales, increasing productivity, providing entertainment, delighting and engaging customers, easing the ability to track data and metrics, improved lead generation, reduced customer service costs, scalability of support, improved consumer insights, customer expectations being met, smoother experience. Technology. Different types of technologies were applied including chatbot, artificial intelligence, ServiceNow, machine learning, natural language processing. This AI-powered enterprise chatbot effectively solved customer service inquiries. Fewer agents are able to serve more clients, which effectively reduces the overhead cost and decreases the resolution time by 50%. As the customer experience also improved dramatically, the Net Promoter Score survey indicated an improvement of 57%. If you're interested in learning more about starting a machine learning and AI career, then be sure to check out our courses at the first link in the description. For further involvement, you can have a glance at our easy technical e-learning course regarding programming a chatbot with PyTorch, which is going to be released this coming Wednesday. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to start your data science and AI career and more. Check out this playlist of our data science and machine learning lessons and see you in the next video. Take care.